Realbricks is an app-based real estate investment platform for everyday Americans seeking to diversify their investment portfolio. Instead of sinking all of your assets into an entire house, Realbricks lets you buy fractions of a property for as little as $100. At Realbricks, maximizing dividend returns is always a priority as we evaluate new markets and decide which properties to bring onto the platform. Our vetting process focuses heavily on rental demand, anticipated regional economic growth, vacancy rates, population growth, and long-term economic stability, because those fundamentals support consistent income over time. Last year, we identified Princeton, Texas as a standout regional market due to its rapid population growth, strong housing demand, and long-term economic momentum. We brought the garrison onto the platform, which quickly became an investor favorite and has since fully funded. Based on the high investor demand and our continued confidence in the Princeton, Texas market, we are now bringing 2 additional homes located in Princeton to Realbricks to give investors another opportunity to gain exposure to this growing area. The Jameson and McAllen are both new construction single-family rental homes located in the heart of Princeton, Texas. Both homes are ranch-style, 3-bedroom, 2-bath properties anticipated to be completed and ready for leasing around May 2026. Both properties are being offered by Realbricks at an approximate 16% discount below the current listing price of $297,490, providing a more favorable entry point for investors. If you like the garrison or didn't get a chance to purchase shares before fully funded, these 2 new properties offer another opportunity to invest in the growing Princeton, Texas market. You can view the Jameson and the McAllen today on Realbricks. Like and subscribe for the latest Realbricks updates.